welcome back to the channel, welcome back to another video. I'm going to be quickly showing you where the OBD port is on a Mark 8 Transit, Ford Transit. If you come to the driver's side, just there, if you see this little compartment just there, if you pull that down towards you like that, there's your OBD port on a Mark 8 Ford Transit. If this helped you out at all, please consider subscribing, liking and sharing to the channel, as it does help the channel grow. I'm actually going to be leaving it there now and stop waffling on, and until next time, I'll catch you in another one.